I say, all right, let me try this one more time. And lo and behold, it didn't start. I bought the car and do the old school thing, pop the hood, get something burst. You know what I'm saying? That's just keeping it from starting. That wasn't it. Everything seemed to be okay, but of course, because the car's not starting, everything ain't okay. So I crank it a few times, and I got it to start. So I instantly, again, just like I said, my father's a mechanic. So I called my dad. I said, hey, yo, pops, my car wasn't started, shut it off completely. I was turning the ignition, wasn't kicking in, wasn't starting for nothing. Finally got it to start. Where should I take it? Because I know it's gonna have to go to the shop.